Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone camera freezing or not working. Let's be honest, nothing's more frustrating than your iPhone camera freezing or not working just when you're about to take a perfect shot. Whether it lags, gets stuck on a black screen or crashes when switching to the front camera, you are not alone. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first thing is force quiet the camera app. Sometimes the camera app gets stuck due to temporary glitch. So closing and reopening it can help. To open the app switcher, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and find the camera app preview and swipe it up to close it. Now reopen the camera app from your home screen, lock screen or control center and test it. If that app was glitching, it should work properly again. And the next step is restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix many software issues by refreshing your iPhone system. For this, you just need to go to settings. Next, go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for 30 seconds. And then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is clear background apps and free RAM. Too many apps running in the background can slow down your iPhone, including camera. So force close all the open apps to free up memory, which might make the camera more responsive. Open the app switcher and then swipe up on each app preview to close all open apps. After freeing up RAM, open the camera app again and test it. And you are done. And the next step is free up storage space. For this, go to settings. Next, go to general option and choose iPhone storage. Check how much storage is available and which app is hogging space. Select an unused app and tap delete app. If you want to keep its data in iCloud, then select offload app and then tap on offload again to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is check screen time restrictions. Screen time settings can prevent from using the camera. Go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time. Next, scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions. Then tap on allowed apps and features. And ensure camera is toggled on. If the camera was restricted, enabling it should fix the issue instantly. You may now access your iPhone camera from the camera app, FaceTime or any third-party app. And you are done. And the next step is update iOS. For this, go to settings. Then go to general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS. And you are done. And the next step is delete third-party camera apps. Some third-party camera apps can interfere with the built-in camera app. Press and hold the app icon. And then tap on remove app. Next, choose delete app. And then restart your iPhone and test the built-in camera app. Removing conflicting apps should stabilize the camera. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone camera freezing or not working. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.